Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set your Gmail scheduled label sync to none, helping you stop syncing scheduled emails if you prefer a cleaner or more controlled inbox experience. First, open your Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, and tap on it. This will open a sidebar with various options. Next, scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. This section lets you customize your Gmail experience for each account you have connected to the app. Now, select the email account for which you want to adjust the scheduled label sync. This is important if you manage multiple Gmail accounts on your device. After selecting your account, tap on Manage Labels. This option allows you to control how Gmail syncs different labels, including the scheduled label. Scroll through the list of labels until you find Scheduled, and tap on it. The scheduled label contains emails you have set to send later, or emails that are planned for future delivery. Once you're in the scheduled label settings, tap on Sync Messages. Here, you can decide how Gmail handles syncing emails under this label. To stop syncing scheduled emails completely, select None. This means Gmail will no longer sync messages with the scheduled label to your device, helping you save data and reduce clutter. And that's it. You've successfully set your Gmail scheduled label sync to none. This update gives you more control over what emails sync to your device, especially useful if you want to limit notifications or storage use related to scheduled emails. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to change your sync preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Gmail experience.